Hey guys, today we are 3D printing cool succulent planters. This is a cute octo planter. It will look good on your working desk. Next we have geodesic planter. You can put this as a decoration anywhere you want. This is the dinosaur planter. You can plant small succulent in this cute pot. Here we have a shoe planter. It is small, portable and super cute. And most of all, planter is printed with glow in dark filaments. That's it for today guys. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more awesome content. Bye bye.